Roberto de la Cruz,
Present, ma'am.
Jimmy Sandoval,
Ma'am.
Lennon Serrano,
Ma'am.
Sandra Espiritu,
Present, Mom.
Dory Pangilinan.
Present, Mom.
Dory, this is not the time or the place to put your makeup on.
I know, Mom. Kasi bumagsak lang ako nung last semester, eh.
Hindi yan dahilan para mag-makeup ka.
Mom, I'm taking kasi makeup class, eh.
Class, quiet, quiet. Gusto mong